quiet now. Good. One more time, see what we can get. The correct stride to be able to come to that. If not, I'll just put the other side, but it's an exercise that you should do. Right, what we're going to do, come on the other way. Move the upright first, round the feet to the side. The upright comes this way, round to the front. She's definitely not running as much though. She's definitely sit and wait quiet though. Now we can go. Right, you've got 5 in there. You've got 4 strides in there. We're going to see what we can extend it even more to make you get 5. Okay? Sit up quicker. Yeah? Put your leg on. Sit her up. Sit her back on her back end. Rather than always lurching you forward. So, it's going to help by getting another stride round the corner and making her run. That was a 4-stride again, but you got closer there, which meant she wasn't lurching away.